How to clear cache in VN Editor. The problem is usually hidden cache files. In this video, you'll learn how to clear cache in VN Editor quickly to improve performance and free up space. First, open the VN Editor app and go to the main dashboard. After that, go to Profile icon on bottom right corner. Now, look for the Settings option, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find the Storage or Cleanup Storage section. Tap on it. This is where VN Editor stores temporary files that help with editing, but over time they can slow your app down. Here you will see Clear Cache. Then tap OK. A confirmation message may appear. Just confirm it. In a few seconds, VN Editor will remove all unnecessary cache files. This will help free up storage, reduce lag, and improve editing performance without affecting your saved projects. If your app still feels slow, restarting it after clearing cache can help refresh everything properly. And that's it. You've successfully cleared VN Editor cache in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, you can check out more quick VN Editor tips and tricks to improve your editing workflow.